So here's how to make drop-down menu on Wix. But before we start, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Wix for free. So from the Wix dashboard, go ahead and click on Site and Mobile App on the left. After that, click on Design Site on the top right corner. You will then be taken to the Wix website editor. Give it some time to load up. So as you can see, we're now in the editor page. Here, if you go over to the left side menu, you will get to see Pages and Menu. Click on it. After that, you will get to see all of these options. Click on Add Menu Item. Then select Drop Down from the options. Now, you can type in any name for your drop down. Just type in the name that you want and click on Done. As you can see, the drop-down menu has been added right away on the web page. You can also drag it around in order to set its position on your web page. And as you make the changes, you'll be able to see it move in real time on the right side. So after you're done adding your drop-down menu, click on Preview on the top right corner. After that, if you hover over the drop-down menu, you will get to see it functioning. And once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and click on Publish on the top right corner to publish your web page. And that is exactly how to make drop-down menu on Wix.